Hey there, welcome back to our cooking channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious and unique dish that will surely impress your friends and family: mac and cheese stuffed meatloaf. To make this dish, you'll need ground beef, breadcrumbs, eggs, milk, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, Worcestershire sauce, macaroni, cheese, and bacon. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix together the ground beef, breadcrumbs, eggs, milk, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce until well combined. Now, for the fun part, the stuffing. Cook your macaroni according to the package instructions, and then mix in your favorite type of cheese. We're using cheddar cheese for this recipe, but feel free to use any cheese you like. Then, cook some bacon until crispy, and crumble it into the mac and cheese. Next, spread half of the meat mixture on a lined baking sheet. Then, create a well in the center of the meat mixture and add the mac and cheese stuffing. Make sure it's spread evenly, and then cover it with the remaining meat mixture. Shape the meatloaf into a loaf shape. Finally, bake the meatloaf for about 45 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit 71 degrees Celsius. Let it cool for a few minutes, then slice and serve. And there you have it, a delicious mac and cheese stuffed meatloaf that's sure to impress. Enjoy! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.